Hello dear viewers, myself Richa Sharma. Before I begin with my today's video, I want you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you and I get connected and you will be updated with my new videos. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So now let us move towards today's video. And the topic for today's video is receipt and payment account. Student, as we have already discussed in the last video, that the financial statement prepared by the not-for-profit organization comprises of receipt and payment account, second income and expenditure account, third balance sheet. So let us see today receipt and payment account in detail. Student, as you can see, the receipt and payment account meaning is on your screen. The receipt and payment account is merely a summary of cash book. It is prepared at the end of accounting period and it's maintained on cash basis of accounting. It means जो receipt and payment account होता है वो कहीं ना कहीं या हद तक कैश बुक से सिमिलर होता है. It's like a summary of cash book only and it is prepared at the end of accounting period. You all know accounting period is from 1st April to 31st March. And the receipt and payment account is usually prepared on cash basis of accounting. All cash receipts are recorded on the debit side. That is जितने भी हमें कैश रिसीव हुआ है हमें दैट इज़ द कैश रिसिप्ट. जो भी हमें कैश रिसीव हुआ है वो हम रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल रेंट रिसीव, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट और इंटरेस्ट और टू सेल्स ऑफ ओल्ड यूज स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल. दिस आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रिसिप्ट. ऐसे हमें कोई चीज़ रिसिप्ट होती है वो हम रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. एंड ऑल द कैश पेमेंट्स आर रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द अकाउंट. जितने भी हम कैश पे करते हैं, हम जो पेमेंट करते हैं वो हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्सपेंसेस ऑन शो और ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस और सैलरी पेड इफ़ वी हैव पेड एनी सैलरी और इंश्योरेंस और प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. ऑल दिस आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कैश पेमेंट. तो ऐसा अगर हम कुछ पेमेंट करते हैं तो हम उसको रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. इट स्टार्ट विद द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश एंड एंड विद द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश. दैट इज़ जब हम रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट बनाते हैं तो ऑन द टॉप दैट इज़ ऑन द डेबिट साइड हम जो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं दैट इज़ द ओपनिंग बैलेंस. हम ओपनिंग बैलेंस से वो रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट स्टार्ट होता है जहाँ वो एंड होता है दैट इज़ द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश. Every receipt and payment, whether capital or revenue, and whether it's related to the current year, previous year or next year, recorded in this account. It means जितनी भी receipt and payment होती है चाहे वो capital या revenue nature की हो हम record करते हैं receipt and payment account में. So what is capital or revenue nature? Capital nature transaction are those transactions which deal with long-term items. Like for example assets, liability or owners equity, and those transactions are called revenue in nature, which deals with short term items like for example income and expenditure. And all the receipt and payment account, whether it is of capital or revenue in nature or whether it's related to the current year, previous year or next year, are recorded in this अकाउंट. इट मीन्स जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स होते हैं चाहे वो करंट ईयर के हों, अगर करंट ईयर हम अजम्पशन करें लाइक 2020, प्रीवियस ईयर हो तो 2019, नेक्स्ट ईयर हो तो 2021, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई सेड. सो जितने भी रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट होते हैं चाहे वो कोई भी ईयर के हो, करंट, प्रीवियस और नेक्स्ट ईयर, हम उसे रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. सो वी कैन से द रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट इज merely a summary of cash book for a year. It begins with the cash in hand at the commencement and end with that at the end of the year. Similar to the cash account in receipt and payment account, cash receipts are shown on the debit side while the payment are shown on the credit side without any distinctions between the capital and the revenue. Moreover, it does not include an unpaid expenditure, not any unrealized income relating to the period under review, and so fail to reveal the financial position on the concern. Examples of receipt and payment account. Those organizations that uses receipt and payment account as a record of financial statement are small charities, clubs and associations. Such organizations are mainly of a temporary nature. Receipt and payment account are used for small non-profit oriented organizations. The organization must have no assets or liabilities. Okay, so let us see the importance of receipt and payment account. The importance of receipt and payment account are: first, the amount of cash in hand at the year end can be ascertained. Second, the total of debit side of cash book will agree with that of receipt side of receipt and payment account, whereas the total of credit side of cash book will agree with that of the payment side of receipt and payment account. Third, the correctness of cash book can be verified through it. Fourth, the receipt and the total payment under various heads are available at a glance, that is very quickly. Now let us move towards the receipt and payment account format. So here is the format of receipt and payment account. The debit side is your receipt and the credit side is your payment. जो format होता है that is receipt amount, payment amount. That on the very top of debit side that is your balance brought down, that is opening balance. हम debit side के very top पे लिखते हैं cash in hands या cash at bank, जो opening balance होता है, balance brought down, and उसी के just सामने अगर कोई bank overdraft है तो वो हम note down करते हैं. The receipt side, that is the debit side, we record all the things which we have, all the cash receipt, that is जो भी हमें receive हुआ है cash receive, वो हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं रिसीप्ट साइड पे. जैसे कि अगर हमने न्यूज़पेपर सेल किया है उससे जो हमें पैसे मिले हैं, दैट इज़ टू द सेल्स ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर, वो हम डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. हमें कोई डोनेशन रिसीव हुआ है, हमने फिक्स एसेट सेल किया, उससे हमें जो पैसे मिले हैं, हमें रेंट रिसीव हुआ है. सो द रिसीप्ट साइड includes all the cash receipt, whereas the payment side includes all the cash payment. चाहे वो सैलरी हमने पे की हो, रेंट पे किया हो, all the payment is recorded on the credit side, that is on the payment side. And towards the end, that is balance carried down, that is the closing balance, cash in hand and cash are bank are recorded. और अगर बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट है तो वो आ जाएगा अपोजिट साइड, that is your receipt side. The receipt and payment account limitations are: it does not show whether the not-for-profit organization is able to meet its day-to-day expenses out of its income or not. It means that the receipt and payment account होता है, उसका एक ये limitation है कि वो day-to-day expenses organization meet कर पाएगा कि नहीं, उसके incomes में से वो नहीं बताता. The second limitations of receipt and payment account is it does not show expenses and income for the accounting period. Expenses and income of earlier period and the following periods are also shown. Besides, payments of liability, capital receipt are also shown in this account. It means जो receipt and payment account होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक accounting period के बारे में या एक accounting period के expenses और income नहीं बताता, बल्कि वो previous year के भी बताता है और following period के भी बताता है. एंड बिसाइड्स जो पेमेंट करते हैं हम लायबिलिटीज़ का या जो कैपिटल रिसिप्ट होता है वो भी वो ये अकाउंट में शो करता है. ओके, सो एज अ कंक्लूजन ऑफ द टॉपिक आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट टुवर्ड्स द एंड. दैट इज द रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट is prepared to know the cash receipt and cash payment. It is a real account. It is a summary of cash account. Cash receipt are recorded on the debit side and cash payment are recorded on the credit side. It is based on cash system of accounting. Non-cash items are not recorded. It commences with the opening balance of cash and bank and end towards the closing balance of cash and bank. It contains actual receipt and payment of in respect of revenue or capital items. All the receipt and payment made during the year pertaining to the past period, current period, or coming periods are recorded. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.